Hello, hello, hello. This is Imi from iTradeAims.com. Um, I'm going to try this new technique. Instead of posting a few uh, clips here and there, I'm going to have a 1 minute quick video. So I'm looking at Australian dollar CAD on the daily, and we have this signal the other day. This perfectly seems to be a nice Apple setup. Let me have a quick check of. So it's hit 38%. If we had the purple line, for example. I don't know if you have that. Let me just simulate that quickly. It's not purple, but that's, it makes it an apple. Now, if you go to the weekly chart, you'd see it's a perfect situation where you have this strong move down and then pull back up. And then as it touches the green line or somewhere in between the green and red, you have the situation created. So that strong move here, from here to there, I don't know if I can draw this line here. This line would distort, but so this line is that 3 down with divergences and then it goes up. So this was a very good apple, which we haven't missed because I don't take my daily trades on the MT4 because we use a different broker. So this is something that could turn into something nice. And now we know that Australian dollar against the US dollar is actually on the way up, recovering. Let me see if I can find that. I can just use this. So it dropped down here and then it's kind of going up, alligator going to sleep. If you have a quick look at this, we can see an alligator open. It's largely sideways if you look at it. But at this point, the alligator is open and it's kind of going up. So it might create something like probably some kind of price action here. It might go sideways and then it would create a classic and probably another down move. So that's that.